How to install chess clock timer on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. This also works on all other iPhone that run on iOS 18. So this includes iPhone 11 and iPhone 16. So if none of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to install chess clock timer on your iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Now once you open the App Store, click on the search button at the bottom right here. Then search for chess clock timer. Now once you search for that, hang on. Then go ahead and click on chess clock by chess.com. Then to install the chess clock timer, click on get. Then hang on. You'll be prompted to tap the install button to install the chess clock timer on your iPhone 12. And in some cases, you may be prompted to type in your iPhone Apple account password. So go ahead and do that. And once the chess clock timer is installed, you can go back to your iPhone app screen, locate the app, click on it. Then you see it open just like this. Then once you open the chess clock timer, then you're gonna see game mode turned on, and then you're good to go. So you can just go ahead, play around the chess clock timer, and then click on start. So that is basically how you can easily download and install chess clock timer on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.